Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create yourself a Temu account. So for that, launch your browser, type in Temu sign up, then you will see this Temu register and login. Now at this page, all you have to do is simply type in your email or phone number and select continue. In case you already have an account, tap on continue with Google. Either way, you're going to have to type in your email address or phone number, select continue. At the next page, if your email address is detected new, meaning if you do not have an account with the email address that you will be mentioning here or the phone number, you will be prompted towards typing your first name, last name, and all you have to do is follow the on-screen prompt, create yourself a strong password, and then you will be able to create yourself a Temu account. So make sure that your password is strong and email address is accurate, and then you're good to go. Thank you for watching.